Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order a Tesco Clubcard. First, open your internet browser and go to the official Tesco website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button that says Register. Click on this button to begin. You will now see a registration page. Start by entering your email address in the email field. Next, create a password. Choose a password that is secure but easy for you to remember. After entering your email and password, scroll down the page. As you scroll down, look for the option that says I would like to join Clubcard today. Select this option to make sure you are signing up for the Tesco Clubcard during registration. Now you will need to enter your personal details. First, select your title from the list. Then type in your first name and your last name exactly as you want them on your account. After that, enter your phone number. It is best to use a mobile number because this makes the experience quicker and simpler, especially for account verification and updates. Next, you will be asked for your address. Start typing your address into the address field. Tesco will show suggestions as you type. Select your correct address from the list provided. Finally, review your details and click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will be a Tesco Clubcard member. You can now collect points every time you shop and turn those points into vouchers. Thanks for watching.